Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Arm Hammer Plus OxiClean 5-in-1 Laundry Detergent Power Paks. Could you add a few more words in the title? Sorry, just kidding. And 3 things you need to know. Now, the vendor claims that it can remove 100 plus laundry stains with the power of OxiClean. I've read enough about OxiClean. I think there's some credence to that, but as with anything, your mileage will vary. All I know is OxiClean's a lot safer than having to get bleach or color safe bleach. And I mean, at one point I had 3 different kind of bleaches, and that's 3 more kinds than what I felt I really needed to have. Thing number 2, this is less mess than measuring a liquid or a powder version. And let me tell you another way where I think this is better is with this being an all liquid pack. I have had a couple of occasions to where the laundry packs that had both a solid and a liquid in there, I've had some of the solid get caught up in some of the clothes, and I would take them out of the washer, and here's this gritty stuff over parts of a shirt, and that means I had to rewash it. So that kind of defeated the entire purpose. So having an all liquid option to me is a plus, because that's, one less thing you got to worry about. Thing number 3, this is less bulk than liquid or powders. And I can remember my folks going to the grocery store when I was a wee lad, and you came down with one of these huge boxes of powder, and then you had to measure it and then keep it away from me, my dog, and it's just, but that was what the technology was at the time. And the early iterations of liquid were, you'd save a little bit of room, but you were still lugging around a pretty good weight. So this overall is a good situation. They've got a smaller pod count pack that you can start with. So if you want to ease your way into it and see how well it's going to work for you before you make the investment of going with a larger pack, that's certainly an ideal way to go. So take a look at this, give it a try. I think you're going to be happy with it. I know it's made a difference for me, and hopefully you will see the same results as well.